Hey, I'm Jess, and I'm here to help you understand the skin beneath the surface. Not trends, not hype, just results. Let's talk about how LED interacts with your actives at a biochemical level. Section 1. Why LED and actives timing matters. We treat LED like a light switch. We have been since it was advertised hot off the market, but biologically it's more like a traffic signal. Red and near-infrared increase cellular energy by stimulating your ATP. That's a good thing because it boosts repair. Your skin is in a hyper-reactive metabolic state. This means your enzymes are fired up, your cellular turnover increases, and the antioxidant demand for your skin goes up. So if you apply harsh actives too soon, you're going to overload the system, and your skin will fight back with irritation, redness, or rebound pigmentation. Section 2. The big no-go ingredients after LED. This is your retinol. Retinol increases cell turnover. We all know that retinol's purpose is to prevent aging. Retinol's job is to create cell turnover. Mix this with LED. LED's job is to increase the energy activity in your skin. Mix them together, and that equals double stimulation. When you combine these two together, it can create micro-inflammation, especially in darker skin tones, people with melasma, rosacea, or hyperpigmentation. And micro-inflammation is the enemy of all of these. Timing rule for using LED and retinol is to wait 8 to 12 hours between the two. So by that I mean use one, then wait 8 to 12 hours before using the other. Number 2, which is vitamin C, ascorbic acid. Vitamin C is a fantastic antioxidant, but raw ascorbic acid is acidic. After LED, your skin is more permeable and more reactive. Acids plus heightened sensitivity from your LED mask equals stinging, redness, and barrier stress. The timing rule for using vitamin C in conjunction with your LED is to use vitamin C in the morning, LED at night, or separately by about 6 hours. Number 3, enzyme-based masks. I'm talking about pineapple, papaya, or pumpkin. These are your most popular. They're gentle exfoliants, but used right after an LED session, they can overexfoliate the skin, and that can cause post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation. The timing rule for using your enzyme-based masks in conjunction with the LED would be to wait 24 hours apart. Number 4, strong exfoliating acids. Your AHAs, your BHAs, and your lactic acid. LED increases your skin's metabolism. Too much barrier disruption equals a pigmentation risk. So the timing rule for this is don't use your acids, your glycolics, your AHAs, your BHAs, your lactic acids, the same day you're going to do an LED session. Section 3. What you should pair with your LED device. Number 1. Hyaluronic acid. Boosts hydration, calms the skin, and enhances the LED glow. Number 2. Niacinamide. Because it balances oil, strengthens the barrier, reduces inflammation. Niacinamide in conjunction with your LED equates to perfect pairing for melasma or redness-prone skin. Number 3, peptides. LED increases your ATP. Peptides build collagen, so they work synergetically together. Number 4, Centella asiatica or aloe vera. This active is calming, it reduces redness, and it strengthens barrier recovery. Section 5, the hidden overuse problem. A lot of people think the more you use an LED light therapy device, the faster the results. But LED is a dose-dependent therapy. This means after 10 to 20 minutes, your cells stop responding. Anything longer than 10 to 20 minutes during a session simply activates inflammation, especially if combined with strong actives. So remember, LED is powerful, but only when combined smartly. Give your skin the right actives at the right time, and you'll see brighter, more even skin without the flare-ups. If you would like a full breakdown of LED light therapy routines for melasma or darker skin tones, combination skin, sensitive skin? Comment below and I'll make these next. Thanks for watching.